Hey, you're watching BMX Freaks, and this is my bike check. It's a 2011 Subrosa Salvador. I got a no-name stock front wheel. This kind of sucks, but whatever. I'm running a holy roller in the front for dirt jumping. Stock forks, stock frame. Sputnik headset with an Odyssey headset cap because I didn't want to break another one since, yeah. I'm running a profile stand, Hoffman Bikes bars, but I took off the sticker. Colt Vans grips. Then I got a United Supreme sprocket with profile power bike cranks and fit PC pedals. And then that's a Slink gusset chain. I don't know, pretty strong, and yes, I realize it's backwards. I was kind of in a rush. I got a stolen seat post clamp, Shadow Conspiracy, pivotal seat post, Hoffman bike seat, and then my bottom bracket, you can't really see it, but it's just a Shadow Torrid. I'm running an Eastern bidirectional hub. Well, the whole thing's just an Eastern bidirectional wheel with an Odyssey Path tire. I don't know, I like it. Pretty solid, I guess, except the headset's broken. I'll probably be building a new bike here soon. And yeah, that's it. Thanks.